Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to take you on a journey of creativity as we redesign and reimagine vintage furniture as artistic wall decor. Get ready to discover innovative ways to showcase your cherished pieces and elevate your home decor. Stay tuned throughout the video for exciting tips and inspiration. If you love what you see, please subscribe for more artistic projects, and remember to like and share with friends who would enjoy these ideas. Your support means a lot and helps us continue to inspire creativity. Enjoy the transformation. In a world where new trends emerge and fade quickly, vintage furniture stands the test of time, embodying history and character. Many people cherish these pieces, not just for their utility, but for their stories and craftsmanship. By redesigning and reimagining vintage furniture as artistic wall decor, we can create stunning focal points in our homes while preserving the charm of the past. Vintage furniture evokes a sense of nostalgia and elegance, often featuring intricate designs and high-quality materials. Each piece has its own unique history, making it a great conversation starter in any space. By turning these items into wall art, we not only honor their legacy, but also incorporate their beauty into our decor in a fresh, innovative way. When reimagining vintage furniture, consider taking inspiration from nature. Elements like wood grain, floral patterns, and earthy colors can be highlighted in your designs. For instance, mounting a beautifully carved chair back on a canvas can create an eye-catching piece that resonates with natural aesthetics, seamlessly blending vintage charm with modern sensibilities. Transforming vintage furniture into wall art often involves a few practical techniques. One effective method is to detach components like tabletops, chair backs, or drawer fronts and mount them on wooden frames or backboards. This creates a layered look that adds depth and intrigue to your wall displays. Using different shapes and sizes can enhance visual interest, allowing for creative combinations. Color plays a crucial role in how your vintage wall art is perceived. Opt for a color palette that complements your existing decor. Soft pastels add a touch of elegance, while bold colors can create a striking contrast against neutral walls. Don't hesitate to experiment with paints and finishes to achieve the desired effect. A fresh coat can revitalize even the most worn pieces. One of the joys of redesigning vintage furniture is the ability to mix and match styles. Combining various eras and aesthetics can lead to unique and dynamic displays. For example, pairing a rustic wooden shelf with sleek metallic accents or integrating ornate frames with minimalist artwork can result in captivating contrasts that enhance the overall aesthetic. Incorporating personal touches can turn your vintage furniture into a true reflection of your style. Consider adding photographs, artwork, or favorite quotes to the pieces you create. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also adds a layer of sentimentality that makes the decor truly yours. Personalized decor fosters a sense of connection and warmth in your living spaces. Creating a gallery wall using reimagined vintage furniture can transform a bland area into a vibrant focal point. Consider arranging various pieces in a visually appealing layout, interspersed with complementary art and photographs. Experiment with different heights, shapes, and colors, ensuring balance and harmony throughout the display. A well-thought-out gallery can become a stunning narrative of your artistic journey. While bringing vintage furniture to life as wall art is exciting, it is essential to consider maintenance to ensure longevity. Regular dusting and gentle cleaning can keep your pieces looking their best. Additionally, Placing them away from direct sunlight and humidity will help preserve their condition. This care not only protects your investment, but also maintains the charm of vintage aesthetics. Choosing to redesign and repurpose vintage furniture is a sustainable approach to decor. By upcycling these pieces, we reduce waste and minimize our environmental footprint. This creative process aligns with a growing awareness of the importance of sustainability in home design. It's a wonderful way to express your values while also embracing creativity. The process of transforming vintage furniture into artistic wall decor invites a spirit of DIY creativity. Encourage friends and family to join in on this DIY journey. Workshops or craft evenings can be a fun way to share ideas and techniques, creating a community that values creativity and resourcefulness. The joy of making something beautiful as a group can enhance the experience even further. Redesigning and reimagining vintage furniture as artistic wall decor is a fulfilling and expressive journey. It allows us to celebrate the beauty of the past while crafting unique and personalized spaces. As you embark on this adventure, remember to let your creativity flow and don't be afraid to experiment. Each transformed piece tells a story, adding character and elegance to your home. So gather your vintage finds and start your artistic transformation today. Thank you for watching our exploration of redesigning and reimagining vintage furniture as artistic wall decor. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips to transform your own cherished pieces into stunning displays. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing for more creative ideas, and don't forget to like and share with friends who appreciate the beauty of vintage art. Your support means a lot to us. Happy decorating!